Welcome to Mini Extensions. In this video, we'll be looking at how to calculate Airtable attachment file sizes. So in this demo, we already have multiple columns and rows with different images uploaded. And what we're calculating is the overall size of the attachments on each row. This can be done with a single column or multiple columns together. So to do this, we'll go back to the extension, select the Airtable that we're using. Here we'll add the field for the attachments. We'll select both columns. This way we can calculate both columns in a single row. And we'll also select the column the size will appear on. We can also select the format of the size, and once we're done, click Run Extension, click it again. And this may take a while depending on the size of your images. And once it's done, it should already have the size here in our case, it would be in megabytes since we selected megabytes.